Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Apple iPad Pro second generation. This is the iPad Pro from 2017. And if you have a long, hard walking day on your iPad, you have some apps in the background, as you can see. At this iPad Pro, you have two ways to close it. The first way is you use the home button. The second way is to swipe from the bottom side upward. Rest for a second, and then you can see in the background there are 5 apps still running. And this will get a little bit power of your iPad. How we can fix this problem? You can fix, and me can fix too, by swiping only from the bottom side up, and we are throwing the apps out of the home screen. Only use your finger to do this. Easy going. Let's go. Point and swipe. Now the first app is gone. The second app is off. Now we switched only the apps off. We do not delete them, okay? That is only the background thing, that the app is still running if you close the app. And let's do that again. We are starting some apps, and you can do this in 2 ways. The one time is you are using the home button, as you can see. Why? If you are pushing on the home button once, you come back to the home screen. If you pushing the home button twice, then you are going to the multitasking mode, and you can see what apps are running in the background, as you can see. And now it's the same. You have to push them, and then you can switch to the apps. By pushing twice, you can switch to the other app, and by pushing twice, once, you can go to the home screen. And if you're pushing twice, you can do the same like before to stop running the apps in the background. The same is in iOS 12. You can perform with your hand. Only swipe from the bottom side upwards, rest for a second, and then you can delete or turn off all apps in the background. This will gain a little bit your speed up, and you can see now the apps are off, not deleted. So easy it is to get a little bit more power into your Apple iPad Pro second edition from 2017. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.